Topic name is inter-networking devices. If you're working as a network engineer, so inside enterprise network, or you can say production network, or you can say data center, ISP sites, we are getting a multiple types of networking devices, not a PC, not a laptop, printer. This one is not a networking devices. This one is we are calling end devices. Clear? So which one is my networking devices? Any idea? Anyone? How many types networking devices available? Any idea? So first device is we are getting hub. Second device we are getting a bridge. Third device we are getting a switch. Fourth device we are getting a router. And fifth device we are getting firewall. And sixth device we are getting a gateway concept. And seventh device we are getting a repeater. Eighth device we are getting which one? Access points. Anyone know access point why we are using access points? To connect wireless connectivities. Clear? Right now in CCNA, we discuss hub, bridge, switch, router, gateway, repeater, firewall as well, and access point as well. This topic you can learn deeply in firewall section. This topic you can learn in wireless control section. Clear? Right now, this one is not a part of CCNA. If you're learning a firewall, so you can get deeply knowledge about the firewall. If you are learning a Wi-Fi wireless controller, so you can easily get the access point topic. Clear? Now, next topic. So basically, I think last time we discussed OSI model. Okay, if I am asking in OSI model, which one is my layer one? Anyone know layer one name? Loyal, Neil, Gopi?
Physical.
Physical. Very good. If I am saying which one is my layer three?
Network.
Network. Very good. If I am saying which one is my layer two?
Data link.
Data link. Very good. If I am saying which one is my layer four?
Session.
Again verify layer four.
Transport.
Transport. If I am saying layer seven?
Application.
Application.
Application. If I am calling a layer five, then
Presentation.
layer
Session layer.
Session.
if I'm saying layer six,
Layer
Presentation.
6 is presentation.
presentation. Very good. I think everyone know if I'm saying, if I'm using session layer, so which type of things we are doing? Connectivity check. Yes or no? If I'm
Yes.
saying if I'm working on network layer, so which type of information? IP addresses. If I'm saying transport layer, so we add which one information dear?
Protocol.
Protocols.
If I'm using physical layer, so which one information? Bits. If
Bits.
I'm using data link, so which one information available?
Media.
MAC address.
Mahalo.
Presentation layer is which one thing responsibility? Data. Application why we use? To generate
Data.
data. Very good. So networking device also related with OSI model. Clear? Now, first, before doing any other things, must be clear one point. If we are using Ethernet cable, so this Ethernet cable we are plugging into my NIC card. Anyone know which one is which one is my NIC card in my laptop? You can say LAN adapter. You can say my
Ethernet.
LAN adapters.
One.
Okay. This adapters having duplex information. Which one, dear? Duplex information. So we are getting two types of duplex. One is my half. One is my full. So we are getting a half duplex. We are getting full duplex. A very easy example. For example, this side one user, this side another user. This side we are sitting above, this side user sitting same. and both are connected with a wired connection. If you're having a wireless, so no worry, also available, because WAN also cover na, LAN or WAN both are covered. Now Bob said this interface is my half duplex. So if Bob having a half duplex, and whenever Bob send data, so it's a possible to send data. But at a time, if Sam say I also sending data for Bob, so in this case, this half duplex link say only one process can done
At the time.
at same time. Which one process done? Only one process.
One.
If you want to send, so you can send. If you want to receive, only receive, not sending then. Okay. If I am saying this side, same user say I'm running a which one duplex dear?
Full.
Full. So Sam say I'm receiving your data and I'm also sending your data.
Ending.
So that means full duplex means both
You can receive
process
and send.
can done at same time. So in this case, communication is possible with half duplex to full duplex. If Bob say I want to send data, okay. If Sam say I want to send data, so communication is possible in between Bob or Sam.
Yeah, it's
No.
possible.
No. Bob sending data, Sam also sending data. So Bob possible to send at a one time only, but Bob also trying to receive your data. So in this case,
Yeah, you
we are
can't do
getting
both.
which one error? Mismatch
Mismatch.
duplex error. If you are getting a mismatch duplex error, so communication is never done. Okay, so you need to change always. Now one more thing. So
One second. So you mean in this case, if Bob is having half duplex and Sam is having full duplex,
half
will
duplex
cause-
will stuck. Half duplex will stuck, not doing any process because sending data and also receiving. So in this case, this half duplex interface is stuck, no data communication.
So you mean in this case both they need to be full
You need
duplex.
to remove the cable, you need to shut down or no shut down your device, then again you can transmit your data.
Or in this case put both of them full duplex.
If both duplex, so both duplex, that means full duplex means both can do send or receive at the same time.
At the same time, okay.
Now first device is which one? Hub. For hub, first point, it's called a physical layer device. Which one layer device? Physical, or you can say it's called layer 1 device. Layer 1 device means it's work on physical layer. It's work on physical layer and read only layer 1 information. Anyone know layer 1 which information available? Which information available in
01.
bits? So we are having any identification field? No. Hub don't have identification field on layer 1. Yes or no? Which
Yeah,
one
that's
is?
right.
Which one? Sender or which one? A receiver. Clear? Now one more thing. Hub called half duplex device. Which one device, dear? Half duplex. One more thing. Hub called plug and play device. Which one? Plug and play. One more thing. Hub number of ports we are getting 2, 4 or 6. If you are having a 20 user, so single hub possible to connect? No. only 246 port available na. Hub don't have GUI CLI option to manage. So that is the reason we are calling plug and play device. Clear? Neil, copy, loyal, this thing is clear?
Yes.
Okay, one more thing. One more thing you need to remember, how to identify hub. If you are getting a picture in your notebook, in your books, this kind of single arrow. Single arrow device means it's a hub. Single arrow device means it's a hub. For example, we are using hub in my network. So this side we are connected user 1 10.4 MAC address is D. This side we are connected with a 10.3. It's a MAC is C. This side we are connected with one more user 10.1 MAC is A. This side we are connected one more user 10.2 MAC address is B. This one is port 1, port 2, port 3, port 4. This kind of ports available inside the hub, but all ports connected with this type. Can you please verify? All ports connected with this type. So in this case, what will be happen now? For example, if PC1 say, this PC1 say I want to communicate with PC3. So communication is possible? Yeah, possible.
Yes.
But how communication will process? This user will
Broadcast.
generate data. 10.1 will generate data and add layer 2 information. On layer 2, source MAC, destination MAC. And one more information add, layer 3, source IP, destination IP. So source MAC is A, source IP is 10.1, destination IP is 10.3, MAC address is, you know. Now, this data PC generate and forward hub side. Hub read which one layer, dear? Hub read which one layer? Layer 1. On layer 1 hub say, okay, I'm receiving into data 010101. So in this identification field, any idea which one is sender, which one is receiver you want to communicate? No. So hub get confusion.
No.
Hub get confusion and hub say, okay, this port connected with this side, this side, and this side. So single data forward, how many user side?
3.
3.
3 user side. So that is the reason we are getting a security issue. And hub always forward data, all users. So we are getting issues. And one more issue available. For example, in this case, 10.4 want to communicate with 10.2 and 10.4 also sending some data. So hub receive and this port possible to do data sending or data receiving at a time?
No.
No. So
Because
hub
how
this
doublet?
port will stuck. If this port is stuck, so this port connected with this side is stuck. This side communication is stuck.
3
This
again.
one
Yeah.
is stuck. All users communication will be stopped.
Stuck.
So that is the reason hub collapse in market. Right now in your network, hub is available? No. Now second device. Second device name is a bridge. It's called layer 2 device. Layer 2 device means it's work on which one layer? Data link layer. Okay, one more thing. It's a send, receive data on the basis of which one information? Which one information? MAC. Clear? We are getting a MAC inside which one information, dear? Frames. One more thing. Bridge called which one device, dear?
Full duplex.
Full duplex. One more thing. Bridge number of ports. How many only? 2.
2.
Bridge called plug and
Right.
Play device. One more thing. Bridge don't have GUI CLI option to manage. Clear? One more thing. Bridge maintain a temporary, which one table, dear? Which one table? MAC address table.
Mac address table.
Okay, if someone says, sir, how to identify in books which one is bridge? So trying is not good for me, but I will try. This kind of device you are calling a bridge. Okay. Now, if we are getting a bridge in my network, and this bridge connected with this side user 1, and this side user 2, port number 1, port number 2, PC1, 10.1A, 10.2B. Any option available on bridge to connect multiple devices? No, only 2 ports. Now, in this case, if I am saying this PC1 say I want to communicate with PC2, and bridge say, brother, I am maintaining which one table, dear? Which one table? MAC address table. This bridge say I am maintaining MAC address table, but temporary for short time duration. In MAC address table, bridge maintain first. Which one information, dear? A group number, and then MAC address, then maintain interface number, then maintain type field. Type field means a way of learning MAC. We can learn MAC address via manually, we can learn via automatically. Now, by default, bridge all interfaces. Member of which group? A group number 1. Which one group member, dear? Group 1. Now, whenever PC1 say I want to communicate with PC2, so PC1 generate which one traffic, dear? Data. And data at layer 2, source MAC A, destination MAC B, layer 3, source IP, destination IP, 10.1, 10.2. Now, bridge receive on this port, bridge receive and read which one layer, dear, by default? Bridge possible to read which one layer? Anyone know?
Sorry, what's the question here?
Bridge read which layer?
Layer 2.
Layer 2. On layer 2, which one is source?
A.
So bridge say in group 1, A MAC on port number 1, and way of learning automatic. And this user trying to communicate with B user. But bridge forward this side automatic, because only group 1, 2 members available, and this user will receive because destination is 10.2. Whenever this PC2 forward reply, so generate data. Inside data, PC2 forward layer 2, source MAC, destination MAC, and forward layer 3, source IP, destination IP. Now, source MAC is B, destination MAC is A, source IP is 10.2, destination is 10.1. So whenever this port number 2 receive data, so bridge again learn group 1, B MAC, port number 2, and way of learning is dear automatic. This table maintain for short time duration, but anyone know which type of issues in bridge? So that is the reason we are not using in production network. Anyone know which type of issues? Why we are not using a bridge in real time? Any idea?
The data is or the information is not routable. There's no route. You cannot route it.
First issue, if someone asking, no management via GUI or CLI, plug and play device. Second, number of ports dear, limited. Third issue is which one? Data forward receive on the basis of which one layer, dear? Layer 2. Okay. If I'm saying this port doing both process, port number 1, sending, receiving, then possible to do bridge called full duplex or half duplex?
Full duplex.
Full duplex.
So possible or not possible?
Possible.
Possible.
Possible. Very good. Very good. Now,
But question for you, can you go back to the drawing? You mentioned that it will generate data and it will go to the layer 2 MAC address, destination MAC address, and there's layer 3. But how come the bridge operates on layer 2, not layer 3?
yes, bridge work on layer 2.
So why you put in the diagram?
Layer 3. Why I'm putting a layer 3?
Yeah. Yes.
Because in data you are sending complete information, na brother? But bridge need only layer 2. So bridge read only layer 2 source MAC. This one.
Yeah. Yes,
This
that's
one.
right.
So basically in my data all layer information is available, but bridge capable only read to which one layer?
Layer 2.
Layer 2. So I will show layer 2 plus layer 3, but bridge read only layer 2.
Yeah, you mean assuming that there's on the top of that there's another
Yes,
switch
we always add every information. Always add. That is the reason we can say I know the destination.
Okay.
Now one more thing. Now third number of device is which one? Switch. Okay, basically first clear. Switch we are getting a two types. One is my
Manageable and unmanageable.
manageable, unmanageable. Okay, what is the difference in between manageable switch and unmanageable switch? Basically, unmanageable means which one device dear?
Plug and play.
Plug and play device. No management possibilities. Clear?
Yeah.
Third thing, only provide multiple ports to get connectivity. Okay. Now, next device is which one? Manageable, na? Management possible via GUI.
Yeah.
Via which one option dear? CLI. Second thing, provide multiple connectivity. Third thing, depends on vendor, provide GUI CLI option to manage. Clear? If your vendor is providing GUI option, so you can access. Not providing, so not possible. Now one more thing. So we read which one switch only? Manageable. Now one more thing. In manageable switch, we are getting first which one switch dear? Layer 2 switch. Then we are getting a which one switch? Neil?
Layer 3 as well. Yeah.
Layer 3 switch. What is the difference?
This one data link and the other one layer 3.
This switch work on only layer 2. This switch only support switching protocols. Let's work on layer 2. Any doubt? Okay. Layer 3 switch. This switch work on by default layer 2. Loyal Neil Gopi, can you give me 5 minutes?
Okay.
Okay, hold on. Now can you hear me? Loyal Neil. Okay. Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
So basically layer 3 switch say this switch work on by default which one layer dear? Layer
Layer
2.
2.
Okay. One more thing you can say. This switch support by default switching protocols. Which one protocols dear? Switching protocols. And one more thing I will write down with red marker. If condition. Network engineer enable layer 3 process. Then switch support routing protocols. Which one protocols dear? Routing protocols. And switch work on which one layer dear? Layer
three.
number 3. So basically, if I'm saying by default, both switches work on which one layer? Anyone know? By default. Layer 2 or layer 3? Which one?
Sorry, what's the question?
By
Layer
default, both switches work on
Layer
which
2.
one layer?
Layer 2.
Very good. So we learn on the basis of layer 2 information, I think. So from this one side, we start actually switch theory. Now, first point. It's called which one device, dear?
Layer 2.
Layer 2 device. It's work on which one layer? Data link layer. Data forward receive on the basis of which one addresses?
MAC address.
Very, very good. Now one more thing. Work on which one duplex? One more thing. Switch have GUI, CLI, option to manage.
Manage.
Switch number of ports. You can say interface as well. No issue. Both are same. How many? 16, 24, 32, 48. This ports depend on vendor plus your device model number. You can say serial number. Okay, series you can say. One more thing. Switch maintain which one table dear?
MAC address table.
MAC address table. One more thing. Switch learn MAC address from manually you can say, or you can say via which one way? Automatic. But right now always remember automatic. I will write down by default switch learn source MAC. Which one MAC dear? By default switch learn which one MAC? Source MAC. Now one more thing.
And what about the destination?
Huh?
What about the destination?
What was the?
What about the destination? By default, switch learn source MAC address.
Only source MAC learn and put into MAC table. Never learn destination MAC. Destination
Okay.
MAC for data forwarding only. Clear?
Yeah. Okay.
Now one more thing. Switch all ports by default a group 1 member. Which one group member dear?
Group 1 member.
Group 1 member. Group 1 member means that is the reason switch called single broadcast domain member. Which one member? Neil, Loyal, Gopi. Switch called
Single broadcast domain.
single broadcast domain member. Okay, why we call single broadcast we discuss again. Okay, now one more thing you need to remember for switch. One more thing. Basically, you can say switch have data transmission mechanism. Anyone know which type of cable we are using in production network for get connectivity from user to server?
Which cable category?
Which cable we are using to get connectivity from user to server?
Ethernet cable.
Huh?
Ethernet cable. Is this what you
Very
mean?
good. I know you already remember Ethernet. But in Ethernet cable to get connectivity, we are connect which one connector?
RJ41. Okay.
Okay, that's very good. How many pins available, brother?
8.
Okay, that's also very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But now data transmission we are using only 2 pins. TX pin and which one pin, dear?
RX pin.
RX pin. Okay, anyone know TX or RX?
No, but I know that the total of four being used only, and the other 4 not used.
Okay, now one more thing. We can say why we use TX, why we use RX. So always clear, TX pin for transmission, or you can say transmit means sending your data, or RX means for receive your data. But which pin required to get these things? 1, 2, 3, and which one, dear? 6. So basically 1 and 2 for transmit, 3 and 6 for receive. But combination is TX plus RX minus. So this one is one row. TX minus with which one pin, dear? RX pin. And remaining, how many pins remaining? Can you please verify how many?
4.
4, 5, 7, 8. If this pin is not getting a connectivity, so no issue, your internet is working.
Yeah.
Okay, but why we use this pin? This pin used for power. If you are using connectivity for access point, if you want to provide IP phone power, so you can use. Now one more thing. This thing we discuss later again, one more time. Now one short theory again we discuss a switch type. Which one type, dear? Switch types. How many types switch available? Anyone know? How many types?
Switch type.
Yeah, layer 2 and
Layer 3.
layer 3. Oh, very good. Layer 2 means this switch called which one switch, dear? Access layer. Why access layer? If someone asking, this switch connected with which one devices and device. One more thing. This switch support switching protocols. This switch data forward receive on the basis of which one layer? Anyone know? On the basis of which layer?
Layer 2.
Layer 2, very good. Some series also available for layer 2. It's a popular series, you can say Cisco 2950, 2960, 3550 also. Multiple available, but this one is old and very popular series. Okay, now one more thing. Which one switch is remaining, dear? Layer 3. This switch called, basically we are calling, which one switch, dear? MLS. MLS means multi-layer switch. Why we are calling a multi-layer switch? Support
layer 2 layer 3.
switching plus routing plus security features. One more thing. Data forward receive on the basis of by default. Which one layer? Layer 2. Support switching protocol. Connected with which one devices, dear? Router, firewall, load balancer, access point, access layer switch, IP phones, and you can say IDS, IPS servers, and radius stackers as well also. Clear? Now, one more thing. MLS. If network engineer enable which one process, brother?
Routing process.
Routing process. Support layer 3 features. Maintain which one table, dear? Routing. And which one table? ARP table. Data forward receive on the basis of routing, ARP, and one more table, dear. Which one?
MAC address table.
Very good. Okay, but which one is most popular series of layer 3? You can say 3560. Cisco most popular series of multi-layer switch. Which one, dear? 3560. Any issue with these things? Any issue?
No.
No.
Go through this theoretical videos. Okay. And we meet again tomorrow, same time, 9:30. Okay. And we discuss switch identification.